gentlemen, just landed 25 minutes ahead of schedule. Welcome to Rome Fiumicino. Electronic devices may not be used if they're within reach for false messaging and internet access. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt signs are switched off. Doors are open and you're invited to disembark. Please take all your personal belongings with you. Take care when opening the overhead locker in case anything falls out. Please respect social distancing and allow time and space to leave the aircraft. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. On behalf of EasyJet and the entire crew, would like to say goodbye to you now. We wish you a pleasant day and hope to welcome you again soon on one of our flights. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Take care and bye bye. Meine Damen und Herren, wir würden